One impeccable way of building your local community on Instagram is holding an offline event. Make an attempt to breaking the online monotony and hold an actual physical event that allows you to meet your Instagram audience face to face. Inviting your Instagram followers to a physical event is highly likely to make them feel recognized by your organization and by you as a person. Additionally, this initiative can make your audience feel like they are part and parcel of your business, thereby enhancing their loyalty to your brand. Therefore, you can decide to break the online monotony to treat your Instagram family to a physical event. Offline events can either be held at your place of business or any other location that will accommodate the varied interests of all the stakeholders. While such event might not require specific locations, it's important to know that the offline event you decide to hold for your Instagram family must be relevant to your product and service. What's more, you must recall and acknowledge that this event acts as a promotional activity of your brand and hence must always go hand in hand with whatever you are offering at your place of business. This is yet another instance of killing two birds with a single stone. Inviting your Instagram family to an offline event promotes your business. In addition to that, treating your audience to an event that is relevant to your brand also markets your business to your audience. All you need to do is to post the date, time, and place of your offline event and invite all your Instagram followers to attend. While this is an impactful initiative of creating brand loyalty amongst your Instagram audience, it's worth noting that this strategy only works for audience who are close to you. Such event might be very helpful to your audience in terms of monetary value. For this reason, only the followers who will be in a position to come to your event with a limited expense will make it to your function. Unfortunately, these followers who will be required to undergo a considerable expense in order to attend such event might not make it to the event. Therefore, this strategy only works for loyalties who are close to you or your business for that matter.